They'll go, it's not working. All right, you can only move as fast as the rope is traveling through the system. So if you jump up and there's a big slack of rope here and you sit back and you fall back a half meter, it's because you're moving faster than this rope is moving. So watch the rope and put pressure on the left foot and stand. Okay, keep this underneath your butt to keep oriented. Then it's going to go up a meter, which is still legal. You've got the secondary point of attachment. Now, when the pulley comes to here, that's as far as I can go, right? I have to reset. The pulley is jamming in here and you're pulling, it's not working. It's because you need to reposition this.
Right.
Okay, so now I want to come down. I want it, first of all, you can't come down if you're standing in this black strap. You can't take it off. You can try all day, but as soon as there's pressure in line with this cam, it doesn't come off. So kick your foot out here. Alright, relax. Now there's no pressure in this. Make sure you have some slack on this leash too. If this leash is tight and it's extended up there, you're not going to be able to take this off. Okay? Put this into the lock position. Alright, you're going to be taking something away. Put the parking brake on. Alright? Pull down, slide out like you practiced down here many times, and run this over your left hip. Nothing needs to get disconnected. That's the beauty of the system. No carabiners need to go. So the public's down below you, you're performing a rescue, there's nothing to drop when you're in the air. Run over the wear bar, talk to your belayer. It's okay, I'm ready to rappel down. Okay, grab this with your palm towards the sky. There's the neutral, and then here's the go. And simply run it over the wear bar. I find with the D20, if you hold your hand on your belly, it keeps it over the wear bar better. If you hold it off here, sometimes it curves off the wear bar, you don't have as much control. Like this would be like a rappel with a figure of 8 device. But if you hold it here, it forces it over the wear bar, and just rest your fist on your belly. It's a good reference point. Gradually open this. Remember the panic lever's there if you pull too fast. Now you do the reset, listen for the click. There's the click, it means I'm ready to go again. Go down to a squat. Okay, put the brake on, stand up, and you have the slack you need to disconnect. If you had to ascend right away really fast, pull the rope through the system, get it in line, snap it on, and you're good to go again. Okay, so
And you want to put that neutral position.
Neutral position to go. Brake when you're stopped. So that's our first system we're going to do on